Hi guys, Dave with the Trim Parts out in the shop today, and you know it's the details that separate good cars from great cars. And in the case of the Corvette, the details couldn't be more important than making sure you get them right on this mid-year Corvettes. Look, the 63 to 67 Corvettes are some of the most iconic cars ever made, and there's a lot of details on that, a lot of chrome pieces that can pit or fade over time. Today we're looking at Trim Parts parking light assembly. That's part number 5339. This fits the 63 to 67 Corvettes. This mounts up front. This assembly is correct in every way and has everything you need to bolt it right on. The triple chrome plated bezel is exactly correct and has brand new mounting studs installed and even has the correct guide numbers for the 63 to 67 Corvettes already embossed in them. As a matter of fact, Trim Parts uses GM tooling when it's available. And this part is absolutely GM licensed, which means it's going to fit, function, and look exactly as GM designed it back in the day. The correct length wire that also has shielding on it that's sealed at the end, but also has the correct end. So if either you're using a factory original harness or a correct replacement harness, this part is going to snap right in and connect to power it up. The part also has a very clear, correct amber lens that has the correct optics, but also has the guide numbers embossed in it as well. Also included is a light bulb and the lens gasket. So this thing literally has everything you need. And also, Trim Parts hasn't forgotten about the speed nuts. You get brand new speed nuts with this as well. These items are sold individually, so for a car you would need 2 of these. Trim Parts items are available at leading restoration and performance retailers all across this great country. Look, when the details matter when you're building or restoring your car, make sure you ask for Trim Parts products by name. There is a difference.